having a little bit of generator problems. You can see their makeshift like a little scaffold here, y'all. There she is, y'all. From a floor plan on the computer to real life. 1 second, stop. Just unloading this lumber here. Another beautiful morning, y'all, out here on the house. As y'all can see, they are getting it done. So, talked to our framer last night and the foreman, and they're saying they're on track and everything's looking good. They're getting everything done. So, today is going to be a pretty crazy day. Getting all of the subwall in, and they're gonna be decking the roof today too. So they're getting all the 2x6s put in right now, all the trusses and everything. Real quick, y'all, just wanted to tell y'all that we have a steer available December 16th for local pickup. It is grass-fed, grain finished. It is a good sized steer, very healthy steer. He made some delicious beef. Local pickup only for Northeast Texas near the Mount Pleasant area. We've had people drive all the way down from Oklahoma and pretty far places to get our beef, and it's been a blessing being able to bless other like-minded people with good quality beef. So you can learn more about it in the link down in the description down below. You can put a deposit. We sell quarters, halves, and the whole steer, and we sell it by the hanging weight, so you get everything, all the different types of cuts and everything for one flat rate price. It's a pretty cool deal, and we love to be able to offer it to our local followers. Y'all can get your freezers all the way full to the top before the holidays. And anyway, just wanted to let y'all know, steer is going to be done at the processor by December 16th. So anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much, and enjoy the rest of the show. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think they might got 10 guys out here today, so that's awesome. Having a little bit of generator problems with air compressor problems, so we're lending them our generator and air compressors, so hopefully we'll be able to keep them going today. So really exciting, really cool. Me and James are going to Terrell, Texas today, and we are going to be picking out the front door and the back door, and possibly some interior doors. And James, he gets all the credit for making stuff happen, y'all. He is the wheeler and the dealer, and I'm just the guy back there behind him trying to support him and driving truck and trailer and the muscle behind his brain, because he is in it. He got his finger on the pulse with all the deals and how everything's supposed to go down. So supposedly he got some super killer deals on a front door and a back door, and it's like exactly what we want. So pretty cool. He was the one that was able to get us all the windows for such a great price too. So anyway, so that's where we're going. We're going to Terrell, Texas today. It's just so beautiful back here, y'all. And it's not even like fully clear too, you know. You still got little bits of brush and stuff like that, and couple dead trees here and there, but it's beautiful though. Little oak grove back here. It'll be a nice big porch on the front. Get some rocking chairs or like a swing, you know, and just be able to come out here in the morning and read the Bible and sip on some coffee, and oh, so great, so excited, can't wait. What's going to be really cool is once I get this whole thing sheathed and the deck on, then you'll really be able to tell the size of the house and everything like that. Just in case you're new, the house is 40 by 60, so 2,400 square foot, not including the front porch. The front porch is going to put us a little bit over 3,000 square feet, and then not including the back porch too. But the front porch is coming later. The front porch can kind of be done whenever, so.
Yep, they're getting it done. They're putting the deck on the roof right now, so that's exciting. So you can see their makeshift like little scaffold here, y'all. Pretty nifty, pretty cool. All right, y'all. Yesterday we went and picked up the front doors. Excuse my morning voice, but there she is, y'all. Super gorgeous. So this is the front door. Mahogany. Solid. Real wood. Gorgeous. Got my 2 side lights on it that I wanted. How much was the door going to be? If we were, because just tell everybody the whole process, because I didn't fill them in.
When I got it priced out, very similar door to this one, mahogany. I think it was around $3,000 for the store.
Around 3,000.
Yeah, I think so, brand new. Yep. So I went on Facebook Marketplace after getting a door price from our local door place and found this distributor out in Terrell, Texas, out by Dallas, and they showed that they had lots of doors in stock and the prices were really good. So I went out there and they said, hey, we got a warehouse, we got plenty of doors, just come out, take a look, see what there is. So I saw that they had a back door, exactly what I wanted. I didn't know what they had for the front door because we had a very specific size that we were looking for. So we went out there and we got a really, really slamming deal. We got this door for $1,500, and then we got this door,
which you can uncover it. This is going to be the back door. This is what the back. So this would be the inside.
The inside.
Yep.
This is 100% mahogany.
100% mahogany.
The front.
That's going to be the front.
With the dental shelf and everything.
Yeah. And this is a craftsman style,
yep,
correct?
Lowy, double insulated glass, so none of it's gonna be sweating or anything. And this was $690, and this is like a $1,500 door. So.
Okay. Yeah. So for both doors, how much did we pay?
$21.90, I think.
$21.90. Okay. Yeah. Super exciting, and the biggest thing is we didn't have to wait.
Yes, because it's months of wait time usually. For
so,
doors and windows. And
yeah.
We could just go pick them up. It was about 2 hours away, but it was
who
worth
cares?
The drive.
Yeah.
Now we got them and they can install them.
We were able to get them the same day and for like half the price.
Yes.
Which is incredible. So we saved big time on the windows. We've saved big time. We've saved a lot of money on the front door, the back door. And then the next thing is just getting prices for interior doors now, which we'll probably just do the same exact thing.
Yep.
Possibly just buying interior doors from them if they have good prices on it.
Yeah.
Or overstock interior doors. Yep. But yeah, y'all, they are getting it done. They got a very small crew right now. But yesterday they had 9 guys and 1 lady out here, and they were killing it, y'all, killing it. The walls and the outside framing go up super fast. It's just that all that tedious little framing and planning and everything like that takes time. All right, y'all. Check this out. They got her deck, they got her felted. Holy moly, this is insane. So much to take in. It's hard to like get from a floor plan on the computer to real life. Wow. Just like so beautiful, so incredible. All right, I'm gonna start here at the front door. So you'll enter into the house here. It's a dog walk style. So front door and the back door line up with each other. I've seen that in a lot of Texas houses, southern houses. I love that style. I think that's so cool. So we have that. Makes it easy for moving furniture around. There's no zigzag, weird, goofy, waste of space hallways or anything. It's just nice and open. I'm still gonna keep it a secret just a little bit longer, y'all, of where everything's gonna be until we get everything. But for now, I can tell you, you know, we have this open space here with the 2 windows here. Fireplace will go right there. Here's our big old windows here. They're gonna be going right there. Sorry, that one's going there and that one's the same exact thing going there. We got them, and then we got this big, just massive amount of room right here in the center of the house, as y'all can see here. All right, so I'm just trying to get y'all an angle to show you how much room we have in here. So you'll go from this big center room, and you'll kind of make a little bit of a left here, and it goes into this next big room in here, okay? So by doing it this style and having everything coming off of this big center section here, there's no wasted space, hallway space, you know. We've really been able to minimize, you know, wasted space and stuff like that. So that's great. Spin y'all around there, as y'all can see. We got 10-foot walls for the rooms. Mom's coming on out here to check it all out. Yeah, just look at this. Yeah, just gorgeous. 1 second, stop. Unhook it. There you go. Now get closer. Yeah. There you go. That's good. All right, that's good. That's good. What you might want to do now. All right, y'all, the house is coming together. As you can see, they already got the board and battens on. Got the front windows installed. It's been a crazy, crazy time, y'all. Just on loading this lumber here. Beautiful. Special touch. Yeah, go out with your arm a little bit. Alrighty, y'all. The house is coming together, taped and caulked, and it looks so good. There's gonna be stone, remember y'all, there's gonna be about 3 foot of stone, goes up to there.